How to manage privacy settings on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let us get started. Launch your TikTok application from your device and get logged into your TikTok account. From here, tap on three bar icon and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under here, tap on to Privacy and tap on Private Account. Then under Directions, tap on to Comments, and you can filter all the comments. Simply toggle on this button. Also toggle on Filter Spam and Offensive Comments. Also toggle on Filter Keywords, and you can type in offensive keywords or any words that you find offensive. Now tap on Review Filter Comments, and you will see all the comments that are yet to be filtered. Now come back and tap on Mentions, and from here you can choose Friends Only. Once you do so, only who are friends with you can mention you. Select Direct Messages and allow Friends Only. Go back, and just like so, you can also make sure that all these are turned private. Choose each of these options and make private. And just like so, this is how you can manage privacy in your TikTok account. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.